Claude Fable 5 is back, and it's Anthropic's most capable model built for your toughest jobs. It's also twice the price of Opus 4.8 token for token, and the quickest way to pay the price is to ask for live data. Tell Fable to find you a list of fresh leads, and it'll spin up multiple subagents that crawl the web, burning frontier rate tokens on every page they read. Connect Apify to Claude instead, and those same tools do the job for about 1/3 of the price. Let me show you. Starting Claude, with Apify connected as an MCP server. That connection is the whole trick. It turns Apify's entire library of actors into tools the model can call directly. If you haven't set it up, it's a one-time job. Add the Apify MCP server, authenticate, and every actor in the store becomes something Fable 5 can reach. Now the test. Same prompt on both sides. Find the top sales and marketing leads in Berlin for IT companies. On the left, Fable 5 with nothing but Anthropic's native web search. On the right, the same model, the same prompt, but this time it's allowed to call Apify. Then we just let them run and watch what each one costs. Even though the prices in our terminal look higher on the right side, under the hood, the left run is actually costing you 3 times more money, and the gap only widens from there. Here's why. On the left, the model can't hand the work off, so it spawns its own subagents to crawl and read the web, and every token those subagents burn is billed at frontier model rates. On the right, the model isn't reading anything. It fires off an Apify actor and waits. You're not spending tokens while the scraper works, you're just waiting for the data to come back. There's a second cost hiding in that left run too, and it's time. Because it has to spin up and coordinate all those subagents, the native run takes noticeably longer to finish than the single Apify call does. The most important move in the whole run happens right here, in how you point the model at Apify. Instead of letting it guess, you steer it to the right actors in the right order. Google Search Scraper first to find the companies, then a Google Maps lead gen actor to pull the contact details. This is the step everything else depends on. Those tools have been refined for years, so they're deterministic. They don't get blocked, and they don't invent a result to fill a gap. Get this pairing right, and you'll spend less and come back with more leads and cleaner data. By the time both finish, the native search lands at $43 against $10.28 on the Apify side. Apify comes back with more than 130 leads, more than we even asked for, pulled from deterministic tools instead of a model's best guess. So, you're not choosing between a powerful model and an affordable one. Give Fable access to thousands of ready-made actors and have them fetch live web data while the model does what it does best. So the next time you ask it for 100 leads, the token meter barely moves. To set this up yourself, connect Apify as an MCP server in Claude and point your next job at the right actors in Apify Store. Sign up for free from the link below. In an upcoming video, we'll compare all 3 models side by side, Sonnet, Opus, and Fable. We'll show you their outputs and exactly what they all cost. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it.